This video demonstrates how to create field mapping in Acuity for Hubspot. Before creating a new field mapping, please book a meeting for which you will be creating the field mapping. Open any of the contact. In the right side navigation panel, click on the Acuity appointments to open the scheduling page. Now click on the profile icon and open Field Mapping for Sync option. Click on the Create New Field Mapping option to create a new field mapping. Enter a name for the field mapping. Select the event to which this field mapping should be applied. Click the plus icon and select any one of the Hubspot CRM modules to record the Acuity fields in the CRM. Now, make sure the event that you booked earlier is selected before starting the field mapping. Search for the Acuity fields you want to map with Hubspot CRM using the search bar. For example, if you want to map the last name of the person who booked the meeting, search for it and drag the last name field from Acuity and drop it into the corresponding Hubspot field. Similarly, you can map other fields using the same steps. Once you map all the required fields, click Save Field Mapping option. Wait for the loading to complete. Now, click on the View Created Record option. This will take you to the page where you can see the created records. To view all the mapped fields, click the Actions option and select View All Properties. In this section, you can see all the mapped fields. This includes every field you configured during the mapping process.